Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. How often do we teach a lesson that feels disconnected from the world outside our classroom windows? Student can sense when work is just for school, and that's where engagement can fade. This is the problem that authentic learning aims to solve. So what is it? Authentic learning is an approach where students tackle real-world tasks, problems, and projects that mirror the work of professionals in various fields. It's not about a final product for a grade, it's about the process of creating something that has genuine value and purpose behind the classroom walls. The importance of authentic learning cannot be overstated. It transforms students from passive receivers of information into active problem solvers and creators. It builds crucial skills like critical thinking, collaboration, and communication in a context that truly matters to them, preparing them not just for a test but for life. Let's make this concept real with some examples. Imagine an English class where instead of writing an essay only, the teacher reads. Students form a publishing house. Their task is to reach a local community issue, interview relevant people, and write a compelling feature article designed for a real audience, perhaps even submitting it to a local newspaper or publishing it on a class blog. This is the work of real journalists. In a math class, learning about geometry and budgets, students could act as architects hired to design a new community garden for the town. They would create scaled maps, calculated area and parameter for garden beds, and present a budget proposal to a panel, maybe even the actual school board. This applies math in a tangible, meaningful way. For science, a unit on ecosystems becomes a local conservation project. Students could test the water quality of a nearby stream, analyze the data, and present their findings and recommendations to a local environment group or parks department. This is the real work of scientists and activists. Now, this all sounds great, but let's be honest, it also comes with real challenges for teachers. The first big hurdle is time. Designing these experiences and guiding students through open-ended projects takes more time than following a textbook unit. There can also be a fear of mismanagement of classroom. The classroom can get noisy and messy, and the path to the final product is not always neat and predictable. And of course, there is the pressure of standardized curricula and tests, which can feel at odds with this kind of deep exploratory learning. So how do we overcome these challenges? The key is to start small. You don't have to transform your entire year at once. Try one authentic project per semester. Leverage community resources. Invite local experts to be part of the process, even virtually. And most importantly, reframe your thinking about the curriculum. You are not covering less material. You are covering it differently and more deeply. The skills a student gain in research, problem solving, and communication will serve them far better than memorized facts. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.